banging and swinging, LAU gang gang. This your girl Lynn, back with another video. And today, me and my son are headed to the car wash. He has school tomorrow, so we want to make sure his whip is nice and shiny and clean. So we're finna head to the car wash and get both the cars clean at the same time. So let's go and shine these whips up. All right, guys, we just pulled in to the car wash and I have both of our tickets. I'm sure this $17.95 one is for my car and the $19.50 is for his. So this is how much they charge for a wash, vacuum, and to get the tires wet. So these are the tickets. And there's Bugs sitting over there. We gotta stay in the car until they're ready for us. So they currently got two other cars ahead of us. Alright. I'm about to hit up Bugs. You already have air freshener in your car. You have some of those air freshener like things in your glove compartment. Okay. So if the ones that's already around the car are starting to fade out, you can always put this. Open up a new one. What are you laughing about? You need to keep your car clean. This is what the inside of the car wash shop looks like. Head out. That shoe stuff is the right stuff. I don't know about the rest of it. Looks like they got Bug whip all ready. Wiping down mine. Yeah. They got you good ready, I guess. This is the car wash. They accepting applications. You want to come wash cars, bud? I said they accepting applications. You want to come wash cars? I don't blame you.
Is that hurricane season still?
Yeah, I think, yeah, we still in the middle of it. But look at them clouds over there. We just got the cars washed. And now the clouds out over there. Alright, both of the cars good, nice and clean. Now, we gotta go put gas in them. So, get us both gassed up. And then we're gonna take it to the house. And he'll be good to go in the morning. Tune up both of the whips. I ain't got one no more. I got two to take care of now. Till this child get his job. Brother, man, already almost at $40 at $35, and mine just stopped. $24. What did yours finally stop on? $42. Lord Jesus. I'm gonna be broke. I need a part-time job. We finna head to the house now. Lord, give me strength. Woo! Whoa, 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 whoa. He doing good driving. I just pray that the Lord keep him safe and watch over him, because driving is major. And lately here, been seeing accidents on the news all the time, and it's been horrific. So I just pray that the Lord watch over him. Alrighty, that was just a quick and little sweet video of us getting him ready for school tomorrow. First day as a senior. We did all our school shopping. Well, actually, I'm gonna go get him some more stuff. I'm gonna get him some more stuff. But we got his car straight and everything good to go now. I'm praying he finishes out this last year strong. Looked at his schedule again last night, and I noticed they actually gave him an AP class. So that's an advanced placement class. So he's gonna have 2 honors. Well, I know his English is honors, and his U.S. American history class is gonna be honors as well. So and he has this advanced placement class. So I'm hoping that he does his best, and that's all I can ask of him, because He's really been doing good for these last 4 years, and we are extremely proud of him. So I just pray that he continues to stay focused and finish off strong. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we will catch you in the next one. Peace out. Oh, they did a good job. Got Max all clean. Yeah. Got Bug straight. So you ready for tomorrow?
Yes.
All right. First day of your last day of high school. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next video.